Hello, I'm very happy to be with you again in this tutorial on how to develop your own TOEFL IBT speaking test. Now, first thing first, the most important thing I have already told you in the previous tutorial, we need to back up this data file. This is really important. In case something wrong, you won't have to do everything again. So I copy the original data file, paste it here. In case something go wrong with this file, I just restore this backup file. Now, let's have a look at the structure of the XML data file for TOEFL IBT speaking. As you see here, in this original file, I have 4 task nodes. One task A, one task type B, and 2 task type C. Now in this tutorial, we will try to create one more task type A and one more task type B. Also, before you start, here's a thing that you need to prepare. Now, for each task type, you need to prepare the corresponding. For example, with type A, you need to prepare the questions audio and the text. For task type B, there are more to do because this is an integrated task, and you need to prepare a reading passage, the audio file, and the questions. All the resources for this XML data file have already been given here. First thing first, let's have a go with the program to see how things work.
In this section of the test, you will be able to demonstrate your ability to speak about a variety of topics.
And
you will answer
during the development process, I will have to run the program several times to test it. So in order to save time, I need to change the introduction audio to something shorter. So first thing first, I back up this file, rename it to something like original. And I make a copy of the beep sound. It's very short, only 1 second. Change the name to speaking intro. Right. Now, you hear only a beep, and then we'll get right to the questions. This saved nearly 1 minute for the introduction.
Have a piece of paper and pen ready to take notes. In this question, you will be asked to talk about a familiar topic. After you hear the question, you will have 15 seconds to prepare your response and 45 seconds to speak. You have the opportunity to study something you've never studied before. Explain what subject you would choose. Include reasons and examples in your response.
At the time of creating this
Prepare your response.
video tutorial, I can see a bug here. When the question text is too long, it cannot break into another line. But very soon I will try to fix this bug.
Begin your
probably
response.
The program on the CD will be able to handle these questions. Right. Also, one thing important, you can change the preparation time and the response time for the user. Now this is important because this application was developed originally as a teaching tool, So if you are teaching low-level students, you want to give them more preparation time, okay? All you need to do is train the amount of time given here. Now, I want to create one more task type A, one more task type B. For task type A, I need to prepare a question audio and the text, and I have put them here. Okay, this is the question audio 2, and the text is already here. Now, I need to check the question audio to see if it works.
Describe where you like to go to relax and why. Use reasons and details to support your response.
Okay, so these are the input for task A. For task B, I need to prepare an audio, introduction audio, a narrator audio file, the passage, picture, and the audio file. This is the passage that the users or the test taker will listen after reading, and then the questions, also the questions audio. Now the texts are here, and the audio files are on here. The pictures is here too. Now let's start creating another task type A. Now the easiest way is to copy a ready-made XML node and change it accordingly. So I copy, insert one more space, and paste here. Right, now first thing first, I change the question audio 1 to audio 2, and then I delete the text. I paste my own text in, copy, and paste it here. Alright, save. In order to avoid troubles, it's better to test right away. So I click to see if it works. If things work well, I will see 5 questions, and my question will
Have a piece
appear.
of paper and pen ready to take notes.
Here. So
in this question, you will be asked to talk about a familiar topic. After you hear the question, you will have 15 seconds to prepare your response and 45 seconds to speak. Describe where you like to go to relax and why.
Okay, good. So I have added, one more task type A successfully. Now, I want to add one more task type B. So again, I copy the XML node, paste it here, and change all the audio files and the text accordingly.